Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making buns. So going with our 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I hope you can see that well from the camera. Yes. Our half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. 4 cups of flour. So I'll go in with the flour batch by batch. Please, I want to remind you, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please, if you've not subscribed, please just click the subscribe button right there. Thank you. And try and like my videos so that other people can also see my videos too. Thank you very much. Like and like. Thank you so much. So you mix that together, combine all your dry ingredients together properly. So in a neat bowl, we're going into a half cup of sugar, half cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, one teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of milk flavor. Then we mix that together. Mix that together. Then you get your dry ingredient, make a hole in the middle, then you pour in your wet mixture. Add in a little water, then mix. So this water, we're going to be adding it little by little. Okay, you mix, you add a little water, you mix, you add a little water. You keep doing that until you get a thick consistency. Okay, so this is the thick consistency we're actually going for. So now we'll go ahead to fry. So you scoop that in anyhow you want to do. You can use the puff method, you can use your ice cream scoop, you can use anyhow you want to scoop it in. Yeah. So keep frying it and turning it so it doesn't get burnt. And here we have our buns. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.